One day in 1989, in Lorain, Ohio, home of the top steel bar producer in the United States, the USS Lorain works. That same day, half a world away in Kobe, Japan, home of the top steel bar producer in that country, Kobe Steel Limited. Finally, after many months of careful planning, an inevitable decision to form a new company, one that would create the top steel bar producer in the world, USS Kobe Steel Company. The result of an innovative joint venture, a giant step into the future. A cause for celebration in Lorain at an inaugural dinner attended by the principals and their guests. An exciting and friendly beginning of a new day, with a warm welcome from the company's new president, Robert Fravel, a familiar face, the guiding hand behind the Lorain Works' present success as former general manager. And now as president, the man who will guide this new venture into expanding markets with renewed enthusiasm, new technology, and an even greater commitment to quality.
I can speak for everyone in Lorain Works in telling you what a great day this is for us, and how excited our workforce feels to be involved with this new international partnership. It's a workforce as good as any in the steel industry. And the new USS Kobe venture will give us increased opportunity to prove that where it counts in the marketplace. I'm sure the officials from Kobe and USS headquarters will be happy to hear that most of our 3,000 workers are back in the plant making steel, top quality steel, I want you to understand also. But each and every one of them is here in spirit, joining us in this celebration today.
The significance of the joint venture underscored by the presence at these ceremonies of Sokichi Kamataka, president and director of Kobe Steel Limited, a veteran of 39 years with Kobe, both in operating and administrative positions.
When I was still a young man, I spent nearly 1 year on my own in this country. I was deeply moved by the unlimited potential of your country and by the cheerfulness, the openness, and the generosity of the American people. That feeling has not weakened with the years. I am one man who deeply loves the United States of America. For many years, I have wanted to do business with a strong base in the American society. Today, I feel as if my dream has come true.
Mr. Kamataka's counterpart, USS President Thomas Graham, further added to the importance both parties attached to the joint venture.
In marking this exciting step, we're sharing far more than simply a new business relationship. We're sharing also a new vision of the future and of the role which USS Kobe Steel can play in the steel-making future of this nation and of this region. This is a partnership venture which combines the premier quality steel bar producer in Japan with the premier bar and tubular producer in the United States. As we eye expanded market opportunities, especially in the automotive market, we at USA are delighted and very proud to share those prospects with a partner as accomplished as Kobe.
Earlier on this historic day, accompanied by the media, officials of the new company toured the Lorain Works, meeting with employees upon which they'll be depending to translate their visions and dreams into the hard realities of competition in the dynamic new marketplace, better serving customers in both the domestic and transplant automobile industries.
I'm very happy to have had this occasion today. I have also had a chance to visit the plant and meet people working there this morning. I could feel in my heart the affection for Lorain works. With the experience USA has accumulated and Kobe Steel's ability, I believe we can compete together in the race to become the world top level steel works. Some of you may be anxious at the change in the management structure at Lorain works, but this is a project where USX and Kobe Steel can work together with a common aim, just like easily lifting a heavy stone which one man cannot give more.
Who is Kobe Steel, and what do they bring to this partnership? Why a joint venture, and what does it mean to our customers? How will my company benefit by doing business with USS Kobe? What kind of changes are in store at Lorain relative to technologies and processes? Questions we'll attempt to answer during the next few minutes. Established in 1905 in Kobe, Japan as a manufacturer of castings and forgings and producing their first steel bars in 1916, Kobe Steel Limited today is one of the most diversified global corporations in the world. With over 50 affiliates and subsidiaries in 20 countries around the world, Kobe is in constant search for new business areas in which to apply their advanced technology. An international network of research, information, and production facilities enables them to pioneer new advances, resulting in an impressive range of state-of-the-art products and processes. In this age of global competition, Kobe Steel manufactures and supplies top quality products under the control of a highly developed quality assurance system. Under the leadership of President Sokichi Kamataka, Kobe ended the fiscal year of 1988 with net sales of $8.9 billion and a profit of $163 million. It was also in 1988 that Kobe Steel took this international concept one step further by setting up headquarters in the United States, known as Kobe Steel USA, Inc. This new headquarters is the first of its kind among Japanese steel corporations and represents a new kind of commitment to integrated yet flexible operations. Forward-looking policies of this kind and President Kamataka's philosophy to put down roots and contribute to the American economy makes all of us excited and delighted about our new joint venture and partnership. Visionaries of an earlier century guided Lorain Steel's future just as today's visionaries are setting goals on new horizons. Nearly 100 years ago, in 1894, Tom L. Johnson, a young entrepreneur who later became an Ohio congressman and six-term mayor of Cleveland, constructed a steel mill in Lorain to serve his Steel Street Railway Company. The name was changed at least 9 times in all those years, new names for new times. But the product has always been steel. Today, USS Kobe Steel Company is a new and improved version that's going to get even better with a reputation for excellence forged in nearly a century of growth, committed to making an even higher quality steel for our customers as we move together into the 21st century. Tubular products are also an important part of our operations at Lorain. Rounds are received at our seamless pipe mills from either the rolling mill or continuous caster. A rotary furnace prepares the round for processing by heating 300 degrees for 3 to 4 hours. After heating, the rounds are conveyed to a centering machine, preparing them for piercing on a mandrel. The hot tube round forced over a rotating bullet-shaped plug to begin the actual pipe-making process. The operation continues at a second piercer to both reduce the wall thickness and elongate the billet, which is reheated again for the plug mill, where the reduction and elongation processes continue, the billet making 2 passes over a cylindrical plug. A rotary expander on our number 3 seamless mill, the only one of its kind in the free world, further increases the existing diameter of the pipe by 50% over its incoming diameter. As a result, finished seamless pipe is available in sizes 10 3/4 inches through 26 inches OD. Our number 4 seamless mill provides 2 3/8 inches through 4 1/2 inches product to the trade. $40 million worth of recent improvements are helping keep our seamless pipe mills, which have been in operation for more than 50 years, world-class competitive. Headquartered in Tulsa, Oklahoma, Sooner Pipe and Supply Corporation, a privately held company organized in 1937 and owned by brothers Henry Zarrow and Jack Zarrow, has been meeting the ever-increasing quality demands of customers in both the domestic and international markets, serving the precise needs of the major oil and gas companies as well as independent producers.
Our philosophy of doing business is to give a customer quality material that they can go to bed and sleep like we do, that they won't have their wells collapse. And a well that costs $3 or $4 or $5 million, when we sell them something, we don't want them to worry about whether the pipe's good or bad, because they know when they buy it from us, we're going to give them the best that we can buy for money. We may be the highest, but we'll give them the best quality there is.
Sooner's global TK valve manufacturing operations are an integral part of the corporation's commitment to providing valued customers with only the best possible quality. Quality Sooner has come to expect from USS Kobe.
Because their quality is the best that we can find.
Also looking to the future is Tom Terrell, president of American Steel and Wire in Cuyahoga Heights, Ohio, one of USS Kobe's largest customers. With a workforce dedicated to producing the broadest range and highest quality rod and wire to meet the needs of the marketplace anywhere in the world today, American Steel and Wire recently completed an $18 million modernization at their plant that included the addition of a state-of-the-art pulpit equipped with a computerized tracking system that provides individual speed controls through the intermediate mills and the no-twist mill. Reheat furnace controls have also been installed in the pulpit.
Well, there's no question that the combination of the U.S. Steel Lorain plant, which without question was the foremost manufacturer of billets in the United States, combined with Kobe, who's the preeminent manufacturer of rod and bar in the world, is a combination that can't be beat. We're only as good as the quality that comes in the door. We can't make it any better. If they give us a perfect billet, we can give our customers perfect rod.
American Steel and Wire's products can be found everywhere, in bridges, cars, trucks, ships, and even sophisticated computer systems. USS Kobe understands the demands of American Steel and Wire and accepts the challenge to be their supplier of only the highest quality steel for years to come. Lake Erie Screw is another customer challenging USS Kobe to produce zero-defect steel. Manufacturing only the highest quality standard and special-headed fasteners in the industry today, President George F. Wasmer points with pride to the company's most recent addition, the 1012 long-stroke bolt maker, the only one of its kind in the world today, turning out 90 pieces per minute, bolts from 3/4 inch to 1 inch in diameter, and from 2 inches to 8 1/2 inches long. The kind of product that has to withstand heavy stresses in huge earth-moving equipment and be able to stand up to the increasing demands for reliability in the heavy construction industry as well. Lake Erie Screw knows how much each customer counts on them, and they in turn count on USS Kobe, whose commitment to the relentless pursuit of perfection is demonstrated in the art of making steel.
Well, over the years we've had very good quality, but Lake Erie Screw is working towards zero defects, and we need our suppliers to improve and to spend money in the type of equipment that will give us the kind of steel that we need to have zero defects. And so therefore we are very excited about the fact that Kobe with their technology and U.S. Steel with their experience are going to combine, and we feel that in the long run it'll be a good move for us here at Lake Erie Screw.
Quality concerns run deep at Lake Erie Screw, with a capacity of 2 million pieces a day, produced from over 20 bolt makers. The USS Kobe Steel Company is a partnership that was destined to happen in today's global economy. A joint venture we enthusiastically feel can ensure our customers of stability, longevity, and reliability.
People ask frequently why joint ventures and what is the magic in a JV. And of course the answer is there isn't any magic in it. Joint ventures are as good or as mediocre or as poor as the partners who make it up. It's for that reason that we're very pleased to have such an outstanding partner as Kobe Steel, and we look forward to a long and successful relationship with them.
USS Kobe Steel will be building on the foundation already here in Lorain, investing the necessary capital and technology to enable us to produce tomorrow's steels today.
Kobe has experience of producing quality steel for many years, and there they developed the process or procedure to make a quality steel from the blast furnace down to a bar mill. And that technology will be brought in this new company, and I am responsible for transplanting those technologies to this works.
At Union headquarters and in the plant, the same leadership and workforce that a couple of years earlier worked together through difficulties with renewed vigor sees today's developments as a new challenge, one they're confident of meeting with pride.
In the past 2 or 3 years, we've had a lot of good labor relations between management and labor. And I think that's one of the major reasons why Kobe chose us, because of the mutual understanding that we have between each other. I think it's going to be a good thing. But it's going to take time, and it's going to take a lot of effort between both sides, like I said before. But I think working together, we can make it work. I think Lorain will be one of the top places in the world. We're going to be a world leader someday. But it's going to take a mutual understanding between both management and labor. And I think we have it now, and we've got to keep it going.
Lorain's 3,000 employees are justifiably proud of their past accomplishments in the production of high-quality steel. Looking to the future, they're eager to accept the challenges that await them as part of the new USS Kobe team to manufacture only the highest quality bar and tubular products in the world.
We feel we make a very good product here, and we always have. And with their technology, together with ours, we think we're going to even go greater than we do now. And we're going to show that now that this plant is on its own, has to survive on its own, we got to make a good quality product.
The attitude of the workforce here is second to none. I believe that there's no better workers here than with improved technology and better equipment and tools to work with. It can only be better for us, and that'll lead us to producing a better quality product for our customers. The attitude in general is positive.
Well, we've always been very positive about our quality here. Always very positive. We've always felt domestically within the United States that our quality would rank with anybody in this country.
Well, as you know, quality here at Lorain Works has been great. With some new improvements, hopefully the quality should improve, keeping us within the world markets.
We know that we can produce good pipe because we have in the past we have, and we think that, or we know that we can produce good pipe in the future.
Rightfully proud of their company's accomplishments and encouraged by renewed hope for the future, made possible by the formation of this new company, these captains of industry genuinely believe in the success that awaits the USS Kobe Steel Company.
I firmly believe that through the cooperation of the two companies, 1 + 1 will be more than 2. My philosophy is that wherever we are in the world, business must take firm root in the area where it is carried out. When we are engaged in business, we always keep in mind 3 basic principles. Be aggressive, yet be friendly and be modest. I hope to contribute to your community with those principles in mind.
And the comment that goes around the plant and the thing that we're excited about, we think we're going to be here right now in the future, and the people in the plant are using the term right now that they really kind of expect their sons and daughters to have the opportunity to still work in this particular facility.